Custom Car Care.
So you have a brake noise. Oftentimes what seems like a simple noise may have much more than a simple answer. In order to properly address a braking system issue, a complete brake inspection needs to be performed. This gives a technician the chance to assess the condition of all the braking components together so that he can get a good functional reading of how the system is behaving and what exactly is causing your noise. Oftentimes this means that brake pads, brake rotors, brake calipers, brake shoes, brake drums, brake hardware, many other items may be inspected during that quality inspection. When you have a brake noise in particular that you are trying to diagnose with your technician, you should give him as much information about when that problem occurs, what may or may not cause that issue or change the sound that you're hearing. And oftentimes, if you're able to reproduce the noise, no matter how embarrassing, it's totally okay. We understand. At least once a year, have a free brake inspection performed to give you a valid analysis of how your brakes are performing, how they're wearing, and when you might need to address an issue before it becomes a problem.
Your complete car care solution. A-1 Custom Car Care. A-1 Custom Car Care.